Angels of joy will keep you from harm. Angels of joy will keep you from harm. Angels, angels, angels of joy.
I love flying.
I feel like a butterfly. Let's follow it.
Hey, Mick, wait for us.
Shh. Gotcha. Isn't he beautiful?
Yes, but...
Don't worry, he can breathe. Look, the lid's got holes.
Yes, but
I'll give him food and water,
I know, but...
and I'll love him best of all. Angels!
Heavenly handbags. That's Gabrielle.
we're late.
Come along, I have something to show you. Be good. I'll be back later.
What a sad bird.
Probably hungry.
No, maybe thirsty.
Maybe nobody loves him. Maybe it's up to one of you to find out.
Pick me!
Me!
I know.
Not yet, angels. First, watch how this came to pass.
Catch, Morley.
I'll get it. Oh,
What's up?
look.
He's hurt.
Poor little thing.
What are you going to do?
I'm going to look after him, Ephraim.
Are you sure?
Sure, I'm sure. There's a bird cage inside. He can sleep in that.
Just till he gets better, yeah?
Yeah, just till he's better. You'll be okay with me, little birdie.
So you see, that bird was loved and is still loved.
So what's the answer?
That's up to one of you to find out. But which one?
Angels, angels, angels of joy.
There's work to be done. Ellie, 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 make, Wraith, who'll keep you safe. Ellie, 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 Wraith, make, who'll be the pig? It's...
Mick. Golly, I hope I'll be okay.
You'll be fine.
Good luck.
Fly away, Mick, on the celestial highway.
Hello, little birdie.
Hello, Morley.
Who are you?
I'm Mick. Is he okay?
He broke his wing, but it's better now.
He looks sad.
I know. I wish I could make him happy again.
Look, they seem to know each other.
That bird comes every day.
Maybe they're friends. Look, he wants to join him.
Shoo! Go away.
What are you doing, Morley?
I can't let him out. He'll fly away. Then I'll never see him again. That's Ephraim. Want to play with us?
Yes, thanks.
Do you like my new kite?
It's brilliant.
Look,
They're dancing together. He wants to play too.
No.
But his wing's better.
he needs to go back to where he belongs, Morley.
No.
With the other birds. I know you love him, but you've got to let him go.
You're right. I hope you'll come back and see me sometime. Fly free, little birdie.
Wow! Look at him fly.
He's the best flyer there is.
I'm the happiest. Time for me to fly too.
Aww.
I'll be back, but there's something I need to do back home.
Bye then.
See you.
Well done, Mick.
So you found the answer, Mick? I think so, Gabrielle. I know so. Look.
That bird table is a brilliant idea, Murray.
I hope so, Ephraim.
There he is. And look, he's brought his friends.
He did come back. Good. It's a happy ending. Ah.
Not quite. I have one more job to do. Fly free, little butterfly. Back to where you belong. It's been a long day, little angels. I think you need to stretch your wings too.
Yay!
Good idea! Yes! Off you go then.